What's up, bag holders? Market was up, so no flips today. We do have some things to discuss. Real quick, got out of a day trade today, which actually turned into a swing. So you can see here the entries. I got in 5 times in this round here, and then, but ciao, there it is. Beautiful move. So we need to get that into the spreadsheet. All right, and we did sell some more stuff, so it was a good update for us. Hopefully you made a little bit of jack as well, and it was a good little trade. I guess we might as well stick to commodities, huh? We bought Bitcoin. It hit the alert twice, but in this area right here, right at the open, we got in down here. So uh, we're in the game, and I think we're still holding silver. Yeah, we still got silver. Uh, Now it doesn't look like the Bitcoin order filled. It didn't. So I'm canceling that order. No Bitcoin for us. We're looking to buy the rest of these gold, ETH, Bitcoin, and that's why I hate trading it on Robinhood because I have to put a limit order in just to protect my account. But I'll do that every single time because the spreads are insane. You will get destroyed. We did get our order in for MDU as a spinoff. QQQY for the cash flow got filled. New skin last night. We got a big dividend. Uh, Very nice. All right. All right. Trade recap. AbbVie. I got out. And you can see, boom, 70. It didn't get much prettier than that. The only thing is our entry candle was really big, so it did eat into some of our profits. But I am not a greedy person, so I'm happy to get what we get here. Looks like we were able to sell for $146.38 per share for a 2.85% return. Nothing crazy, but the time frame was short. So let's see what the annualized return is. 148.37% annualized. That's a double. You double your money every year, you're going to be very rich in not very many years. So this one can go back to the gulag. Down there with the scum. We did sell Leggett as well. Beautiful move as well, right? You see that? That thing's crazy. This one, I believe we had multiple shares, right? Yeah. So if you look on the chart here, we bought here, we bought again here. So our average is somewhere in the middle, right? And then we run up. This one I don't think was a huge thing either, but why don't we combine these? right, we're going to combine them because we did have two purchases, but really all I care about is the total. You know, how much money did we make? Looks like 6.02% returns. The annualized will be not accurate because it's only taken from the oldest position, and you can see it was a lot of time that elapsed between that time and when we bought the second time. So the annualized will actually be much higher than this if it was a correct number, but the number it pulled up was 39.25%, which is very nice. Uh, anyways, and our SPY order filled for the charity. So we're good there. I believe that takes care of it. It was a nice update today, so we'll get this guy back down to the list. And we're not looking for flips, but we do need to look through and see if we need to put any sell orders in. And this should be a nice, quick video. All the markets are up, but if you stick to the same process, you have less issues. We're up pretty good in Hasbro too. I kept looking at it through the day to see if I should cut it, but it's not high enough. What's going on here? This is almost a good second entry here. 31.67. Just needs another day. 60. I still think we need to be up in here. It's hidden. Yeah, it's got some room still. Some of these just move really slow, but that's why I like them. Because if I was gonna play baseball for money, I'd want the guy to pitch him right over the middle, nice and slow and easy, and not just drill them. And that's just kind of what we do with stocks with this approach. And it's nice also to see when the screener dried up for the flips that there were opportunities here, right? Walgreens is at a 64 point. I put the order in to sell this one today. It did not sell. I put it for high a day, 23.26, which should definitely get hit. I did that at lunch, so we're looking for that one to fill. Got a dividend here for ADP. You see, we locked that sucker in. All right, we'll go down to the list here. It was a good day for fixed income. This is what's in our portfolio here. 3% or 5.9%. But it doesn't really matter because I don't lever that account. That account is only to create cash flow. All right, we didn't have really a lot of opportunity as we've been going through this. Even the oil companies have started to rebound a little. So we'll try to make this as quick as possible and get on with life. But I got a big group I watch because I like to be in the game. I love it. Beautiful run. Look at that. Jeez. And I like seeing them even after we sell because I hold them all in the investment account. I just hang on to them. So yeah, Starbucks juked it. Maybe it goes down, but it doesn't look like. Looks like it's running out of steam. A lot of those really good companies, they just don't hit the 30 very often. Investors in big companies that do pension plans and stuff, they buy it up pretty quick when it gets down to close to that level. But there will be a time when people freak out again, and it will be down there. Hopefully, we have money to buy it. That's the whole game. A lot of stuff's up. Rising tide raises all boats, right? Now what they say. High tide. Walmart, in my opinion. But even then, it would probably take about a week. There's Exxon's in under the 30, so we're just waiting. That that one might be one of the next ones, or this one, right? We talked about this one yesterday. You had the X date today, so wouldn't surprise me if it doesn't start going up. But we're waiting for our trigger there, just in case it keeps going down. But there will be a few opportunities in the next few days. You can see them. And if I start getting real cash heavy, then I'll be able to take the position size I actually like versus these little small ones I take right now, just to stay in the game. That's it. Have a good evening. I hope this is helpful to you for a little big picture. Just because we're up here hitting the 70, I don't mean jack. I mean, we're at this level, but if it continues to go sideways, if the more time that passes, the less likely it is we go down when we build energy and break out. That's why you need a system, in my opinion, that you just blindly follow no matter what the market's doing, because you will juke yourself out of money. Everybody does it. It's human emotion. This is set up to take your money. So hang in there. I hope y'all are making some of this easy money. Don't get scared. Don't be waiting for the next correction. Just play your hand and keep the cash flow coming, man. You got enough dividends coming in to keep you in the game. That's the game I'm playing. So get a little scared on my options play. I won't lie, but we have a plan we must stick to. I got the 2850, and this thing has just been dumping all week. It's like in a free fall, man. We started to see some signs of strength here, some here, but I don't know if this level is going to hold or not. But I was gonna cut it today in profits, but we're gonna let it expire. That is the plan. We stick to the plan, and remember, stay tuned tomorrow for premium content. I will be selling the options for the next week. I'll probably go light because I'm running out of money. So I'm always going to stay in the game, but sometimes when you're, overextended, you got to cut back a little bit. So we'll do that, but I'll keep you guys along for the ride. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it's a little helpful to you. And catch you tomorrow. Peace out.